everyone, what's up? It's your girl Savannah Peterson of Savvy Millennial, Sav is Savvy on the Twitter and Instagram verse. And if you are a fan of nature and big waves, let me tell you, today's video is for you. It is not often that my home is the scene of a newsworthy event, but we have a high surf advisory here in Pacifica, and the waves are not disappointing. This is a fun one to tune into, and quite frankly, I'm gonna keep it short because I'm gonna keep an eye on the sandbags at the front door. Literally. Thanks for tuning in. The pier is closed for obvious reasons. Yeah, that's happening right now. All right. Whew. Made it. Thought we might have to ditch it there for a second, but we've made it. The street is literally an ocean. Woo! Damn, look at the whole neighborhood. Woo!
Crazy, I love it. And you have to have sandbags.
I know.
You're staying out of your house.
Casual. Yeah, it's cool. I can honestly say I've never seen anything like this.